Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Does Coinbase need your ID? Now, I know that this can be a bit of a sensitive topic, so I want to start by saying that I'm not going to be able to give you a definitive answer. However, I will be able to provide you with some information that will help you make your own decision. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of privacy. In today's world, our privacy is more important than ever. We need to be careful about the information that we share with others, especially online. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Does Coinbase need your ID? The answer is, it depends. Coinbase requires you to verify your identity in order to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. These regulations are designed to prevent criminals from using Coinbase to launder money or finance terrorism. 1. www.gate.io. www.gate.io. However, the level of verification that Coinbase requires will vary depending on your level of activity on the platform. For example, if you are just making small purchases and withdrawals, you may only need to provide your name and address. However, if you are making large transactions or using Coinbase to run a business, you may need to provide additional information, such as a copy of your driver's license or passport. So, what does this mean for you? Well, if you are concerned about your privacy, you may want to consider using a different cryptocurrency exchange. There are a number of other exchanges that do not require you to verify your identity. However, if you are comfortable sharing your information with Coinbase, then there is no need to worry. Coinbase is a reputable company and they take your privacy seriously. In addition to the information above, I also want to mention that Coinbase is not the only cryptocurrency exchange that requires you to verify your identity. Other exchanges, such as Binance and Kraken, also have similar requirements. So, there you have it. The answer to the question, does Coinbase need your ID, is, it depends. I hope this information has been helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.